The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 might be the new smartwatch made for people who use Galaxy smartphones. We don't know much about it yet because it hasn't been revealed, but we're excited to find out what cool features it will have. We'll have to wait a few more months to learn more. Samsung has a habit of unveiling new smartwatches during its August Unpacked events. Therefore, it is highly likely that the company is developing a superior Samsung watch as a successor to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. This new watch will probably run on the Wear OS platform and seamlessly integrate with other devices in the Galaxy ecosystem. There haven't been as many rumors about the Galaxy Watch 6 as there have been about devices like the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5. However, early indications suggest that the Galaxy Watch 6 will be an exciting smartwatch with features focused on fitness tracking, communication, safety, and more. Speaking of design, the Galaxy Watch 6 is rumored for a change. While not much was different between the Galaxy Watch 5 versus Galaxy Watch 4 in terms of looks, the Galaxy Watch 6 could move to a curved glass display. Samsung may be drawing inspiration from the Google Pixel Watch, which is a new contender in a competition for the best Android watch. The Pixel Watch features a curved screen, and Samsung might take note of this design element. However, it is likely that Samsung will continue with their traditional circular design for the Galaxy Watch 6. That said, it's hard to imagine a curved screen complementing a physical rotating dial for a Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. The return of the dial, which offers an alternative navigation experience to swiping, would certainly appeal to fans of the mechanism. There's not much to report in terms of new Galaxy Watch 6 features, but we do know what the watch should offer based on existing Galaxy Watch features. The Galaxy Watch 6 is expected to come with various health sensors, such as body composition analysis and skin temperature readers. Additionally, the upcoming One UI 5 watch update will introduce an irregular heart rhythm notification feature to the Samsung Health Monitor app. This feature is likely to be available on the Galaxy Watch 6, allowing it to detect heart issues before they become severe, similar to what the Apple Watch and Pixel Watch already offer. It's a valuable addition for monitoring heart health and enhancing early detection capabilities. According to a report from Galaxy Club, it is speculated that the Galaxy Watch 6 will have larger battery capacities, especially for devices certified in South Korea. The rumored battery size for the 40mm model is 300 mAh, while the 44mm model might have a 425 mAh battery. Although the increases are not significant, they could potentially lead to longer battery life for the smartwatches. Until there is a rumor indicating a price adjustment, we should not anticipate any changes in the pricing of the Galaxy Watch 6. The starting price of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 was $279, while the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro started at $499. The higher price of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro was justified by its premium materials and longer battery life. Samsung might introduce the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro as a variation, or they could potentially bring back the classic device instead. In the Galaxy Watch 6 lineup, there could be a replacement for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, offering a smartwatch with a more traditional appearance rather than a sporty one. The exact date for the next Unpacked event is still unknown, but our educated guess is that it will likely take place in the second week of August. The smartwatches announced during the event typically become available for purchase approximately 2 weeks later. That concludes today's video. I hope you found the information useful. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so please leave your comments in the section below. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.